is my fourth day in Istanbul, and I'm going to use the day to do some activities. I booked them through Get Your Guide, so I'm going to share the links as well, and you can see them and you can use them if you want to book them. But I'm going to have an hammam experience, which I'm quite excited and looking forward to. I really need a massage. My muscles have been in pain recently. I am very looking forward to it, and after that I will go to a Mosaic workshop, and we'll probably make a lamp, you know, those lamps with the mosaics, the Turkish lamps. So that's gonna be also an interesting experience. Waiting to be cold.
Do I look more relaxed? I think I am. Oh, look, if you come to Turkey, you have to try this. It's a whole experience. It's very weird for you. I mean, if you're not used to be washed by someone else, but it's been very relaxing. I decided to go for a full massage. I started with a full body massage, and then the steam room and the Turkish bath. The Turkish bath, they put you on a marble table and they wash all your body, and they cover your body with soft and warm foam. So it's a really, really nice experience. It's very relaxing, and now they also gave me some tea, so I'm relaxing in the relaxation room. It's all about relaxing. So also they peel and they do scrub when you all over your body. So I think it's quite good if you know, every now and then I think we should do a scrub. I don't know. Every now and then I do it, and it was nice that someone else did it for me this time. So yeah, I appreciate this, and yeah, find the link below if you want to book the same experience. Of course, the details are not going to be shown in this video, but you can look it up online and you know, learn about this experience more.
Workshop. My name is Aziz and I'm going to be your instructor today in terms of like the traditional mosaic Turkish lamps. But before how we're going to start to make our lamps, I would like to firstly introduce you with a background with the history of the Turkish lamps, and later I'm going to show how it's made, and we're going to make our lamps today. Unique lamps. From this part you can see some, and from the other part you can see some. Now you can make 4 different types of the patterns. You can make 4 same patterns. You will decide how many patterns do you want and in which way. After adding them, as you can see, we still have these gaps between the designs, right? So these gaps also gonna be covered with a glue. That is why do not hesitate to make glue perfectly.
Gonna choose some transparent one for sure. Do we have purple? These are nice. How are you doing? We don't have the stars here, do we?
down with one of it. Now go to the opposite.
Yeah.
And then do whatever you want. You can go with it. So now,
Oh wow.
just by pressing, you're gonna take that part off.
Alright.
How's that gonna be? Now draw.
If I carry on doing this around?
Let's just start with making this one first.
Yeah. Okay, this is the pattern I chose. We get started.
Now, after making the small circle over here, you're gonna start adding the diamonds which is on the center of your design over here. Okay?
Yeah.
And you may start from this pattern, let's say over here. When you will start from this pattern, now then you will continue from the left by adding again the glue and continue it from the left and the right.
Yes.
Okay? Teşekkür ederim.
Yeah.
There's
Thank
also
you, thank
thanks. Teşekkürler.
Teşekkür.
Teşekkürler.
Teşekkürler.
Yeah.
Teşekkürler.
Thanks.
Okay.
And there is also sağ, the shortest form. Sağ.
So.
Oh, this is the
Oh, nice. Oh, that's amazing. I was supposed to come here just to learn this one now. So, hello, merhaba. Merhaba. Oh my gosh, this one is gonna come with me.
That's
Wherever I go now. Teşekkür. Teşekkürler.
language curses.
Look at this. It looks cute. I like it.
That's pretty.
No, it wouldn't disturb?
No.
Okay.
They were trying to invent something specific. That's why this just
Oh, it's so cute. Thank you. That's perfect.
there is not any
Wow, it's chicken.
But when our people started spending all their
That's cool.
because they
You're
don't
gonna press it to make them all straight. Yeah,
But this one we have our hands.
I'm going to a Whirling Dervishes ceremony. The Whirling Dervishes are it's basically a meditation that comes from the Sufi tradition, and it's been founded by Rumi. Rumi is known mainly for his poems, I guess, and so I'm very curious to know about it more, so go there and learn about it. And it's gonna last about an hour and a half, the whole ceremony, and it starts at 8:15.
Thank